Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the easiest strategy that you can use to trade gold and make a lot of profit for yourself. So kindly sit back and watch how I'll teach you how to trade gold. So kindly subscribe to this channel. I post insights like this every day. Every weekend I give XAUUSD breakdowns. So kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell for new insights like this. Let's get into it. So if you want to trade, kindly go to the daily time frame and watch out for break of structure like this. Break of structure in the daily time frame like this. Higher high. And make sure you do what you refine the origin that caused the break of structure and come down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame and do what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So then you refine what the origin you map out in the daily time frame. Then you come back to the 1-hour time frame. Then you look for higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then you refine the origin that you map out in the 4-hour time frame. This is the easiest strategy, I'm not gonna lie. Then you come back to the 15 minutes time frame. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Then you refine it in the what? You refine the origin that you map out in the 1-hour time frame, in the 15 minutes time frame. So then you watch out for what? You watch out for it to get to the origin, then let it change character, then you do what? Then you take your trade to the upside. So this is the easiest strategy I taught you right now. So kindly subscribe to this channel. There are more strategies, there are more insights that I will show you on gold. Very easy. So kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for new insights like this. Thank you. Peace out.